Gonna fill up the old deer feeder. You gonna help us?
Yeah.
Let's see how full it is. What we got?
It's pretty much almost empty.
This is the
Should be empty.
this is the
Oh, it's still got a little bit.
pet deer feeder. This is the one we just feed the pet deer with, huh? All right, let's get some bags in there. Voila! Full deer feeder. You got that, Kimosabi? Hey, the pet deer will eat like kings now, baby! Woo! Alright, what times are we setting this up for? We're going in the
Send
winter.
the time first.
Oh,
And then we'll do the
Are you
feed
just gonna send it
time.
back?
what time you feeding that? What's the secret sauce here?
Feed 1, 7 a.m. It gets light, 7 a.m. That's about right. And then, what's the duration?
7 a.m.?
Doesn't have a duration.
Hey, program again.
Yeah. So that's perfect.
7 seconds at 7 a.m. Oh,
6.
6 seconds at 7 a.m.
Feed 1, feed 2, 5 p.m. That's a little
It's a little early.
early. We'll make it. What time does it get dark? 6.
At like
7?
6.
No, it's
I don't know. Feed it like 6:15.
6. That's random. Okay, 6:15.
6:15 for 7 seconds.
6.
6 seconds. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
We done.
We're done.
We'll test it.
Your pet deer will eat like kings now.
Ready?
We're gonna test it.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Got your iPro on?
Oh yeah.
Dude, it's gonna beat you.
Now we're good. Send it.
10, 9, 8.
Oh my gosh.
7.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
See ya. Gonna beat you up.
Bruh.
That battery.
And that's what a
Brand
brand new dead battery looks like. That thing should have broke the camera. It spun so
straight
bad.
out of Walmart.
Let's see what brand we got here. So we
Generic.
should say you should not use the oh my this
Super
dude
heavy
ever
dude.
ready. Oh, look this. Listen, if there's certain things you just don't go generic on. That's one of them. It's all good.
It's for
That'll
the-
do.
It's for the pet deer, man.
I know it is, and it spread perfectly. Look
It
at that.
spread corn.
Look at that. Corn all on the ground. All right, let's go. Let's go fix the crappie light. Wait. Before we go over there and do the light, I gotta show y'all something. Many moons ago,
Hey, don't hate.
we had a we put a stand up here just to for photography and stuff. My brother went through a phase. It was a weird phase. Can you hold that for me?
Yep.
To take pictures and stuff of deer. So we put this stand, and you can see it's a part of the tree now. But I'll show you the best part. Hold on. Let me get up here. Look at this. You see this? That's a tree. It has grown through everything. Needless to say, listen, check your deer stands, okay? Mow your deer stands, okay? Mow your deer
Well,
stands.
you know, if you got a good chainsaw, you might want to do that. But
Oh. Okay, so in addition to the crappie habitats we built last week, I have fixed or manufactured a crappie light. And what it is a piece of PVC with LED lights run around it, and it goes all the way down the length of the PVC. And then I took some shrink wrap, what's this stuff called? Shrink wrap. Slid it over and used a heat gun and shrunk it all together so that you have basically a watertight apparatus, and then I run the wire in through the top. So I built this thing all perfect and dandy. We got it out to the lake, or to my dad's pool, put it in there. That's not gonna do it here. I thought it would. It floats. So we are gonna try a couple different ways to make it sink. Round one, we're gonna use old duck decoy weight. So what's your plan with this?
put it on that, see if it works.
Okay, so what we're gonna do here is just add weight to the base of it, basically. Let's see if we can't crimp it on there, essentially. Oh gosh, that belong good. We're professionals, as you can tell.
I'll correct that, right?
There we go. So now, I don't know. Now, we got that weight on there, so let's take it to the pool and see. Okay, so now we're poolside. I'm gonna throw it in here and see what happens. Oh, like a champ. There we go. So now the light sinks as I let it all the way down. Perfect. So all we had to do was add a little, what is that, a tape weight? I don't know.
Approved.
Anyway, add a weight to the bottom of it. So now we're gonna take it to the lake and try it out. So there we go. That worked beautifully. Some other options I was gonna do is I had these egg weights. I was gonna drill a hole through the bottom here because inside the PVC here is a bunch of silicone caulking with lead weights in it. I thought I had enough in there. Clearly I didn't. It's all good. So we just took this decoy weight like you just saw, add it to the bottom of there, threw it in there. It works great. So I guess I'll just leave that on there. I'll crimp it down a little better. But yeah, so this light comes in really handy. It lights up green. I'll go out here in just a minute and show you how it looks whenever it's lit up. But you don't have to do the shrink wrap around the lights. The lights themselves are those LED strip lights. You can cut them wherever. You can make this any size you want. They are 12 volt lights. That's very important because we have a 12 volt system. But you can get 12, 24, 36, any power requirements you you can get, again, from Amazon. Good old Amazon. And it's just wired inside here. Piece of PVC, caps are glued on. Before I glued the bottom one on, I filled it with caulk and filled it with weight. Just wasn't enough weight. So this will work. Basically what you do is you put this off the edge of the boat. When it's dark out, if you're looking for crappie, when it's dark out, hang it down there about 3 or 4 feet. The bait fish start swimming around it. Then you can start catching them slabs. So perfect, that'll work. So next thing is to go show you what it looks like when it's lit up. So let's go check it out. Okay, so here at the back of the boat. So at the other end of the wires, you have it was wrapped up all nice and pretty. You have your ground and your power. So you hook up to ground. This thing's kind of bright. And then you hook up your power, and then voila. So that's what it looks like when it's got the power on it. And it'll hang in the water like this. So there you go. That's how it works.